Hello everyone friends, on the color of the Valar. Today I will show you how to download and install Valorant on PC. For this we need Riot Client. Go to any browser and right here, Riot Client download. Here we are pressing. You can also just download Valorant the game. The same client is downloaded. Click the download button and open this exe file that has been downloaded. We are waiting. We have such a thing, a micro launcher, yes. Here, click Advanced Settings. You can choose the installation path. I already have Valorant, so I'll select that and click the install button. After that, the installation will begin. Well, the installation is here. Also, the Riot client will already be pulled, which will have both Valorant and other games from Riot Games. It will open now. Here we just select Valorant and click the install button and then play. That's all. The Valor is with you. Like, subscribe to the channel. Goodbye everyone.